Hey guys, so this is part 2 of how to make Rubik's Cube in CFOP. So in part 1, I show you guys how to do cross, and part 2 is basically doing the first two layer, which call F2L. So the F2L is basically you create a block, a pair has one corner and one edge, and you connect like this. So there are many cases of F2Ls from beginner to advanced, but as I show you guys some beginner tips, so for people who want to approach the CFOP, so F2L, you can divide the part like this. This case is one of the beginner one, when you have the corner like this and the edge like this. So what you're gonna do is you do R U R prime to connect this into the right side. But what happened when it's in the left side? So what you're gonna do is to do opposite of it, which is L prime, U prime, L. Another tips to beginner F2L is this one. When it's already connect to each other, so what you're gonna do in this one is you move R prime, F, R, F prime, like so. Or you can do like this: U, R, U prime, R prime. Same as the other way. You do it like this: U prime, L prime, U, and L. So for beginner F2L, you don't need to do very advanced and high TPS stuff. The only thing that you can think about is just basically having a corner and edge on the top layer, so that has the same color. Like for example, this one, the white, green, orange, and the edge is green, orange on the top. This pair should be in this slot. So what I'm gonna do is you basically just find a way to connect these pieces and then bring it to the slot like so. And this one, and if you got this situation when you have these two and these two, you probably pick one or the other. You can do two at a time. So for example, so this case I probably choose this one, the white, the red and green, and white, green, red right here. So what I'm gonna do for this one, this case, when you have two same color, like red and green right here, probably do like this: R, U2, and then you move R prime like so, and then you can connect it. For this case, another beginner case is when you have like this, you probably using like so. You break it like this, you bring it like this way, and you bring it back, and then you got the similar case that I showed you from beginning, this. So I will do more sample about beginner F2L for you guys to follow with me. So let's start with this one first. So after finish cards, let's look at it and around to see which pair. So probably like we were doing the red, blue, white, which already has this one in. So I know the advanced case for this one, but for beginner, you should moving this one here and then bring this one up so you guys can see the similar case like this, which you can connect this. Okay, and then while I'm doing this, I see this pair is already done, so the only way to connect in here is just L, U, L prime. That's all. And this one is already matched, which you guys can connect like this. And last pair is right here, which you guys can do something like this to connect, to see the similar case, and then you can connect it like this. Next one is this pair. So what I'm gonna do in this pair is I'm do R, U to R prime to make similar case, like so, like connect it, and then the red, the red and green is already in the same situation. Then we can connect it this, and this case you can do like this and connect it. For this one, you do F to make similar case, and then you go back. Okay. Last example is probably we'll do this one. You do like this to make a similar case, and then next pair you hide it, move in, and then you connect in the back. So this case, when you have two the same pair, same color but opposite, so you're gonna do R, like so, RU2, and you can connect it like this. And when you have two same color, I'll show you from beginning, you do R, you connect it. So I hope this video helped you guys know more about F2L, and I will doing more part 3, which is the RUBIK'S, and part 4, which is the POL. And stay tuned for those video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.